small long enough, do they? That's the problem.
Can't believe you never saw that.
I know. Sad, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you know if these are real?
They're not real, no.
Oh, they look-
They're over £1,000 real. They're not
Yeah.
real. He paid about £180 for them. They
Oh.
literally came a few days ago, but they're too big.
Yeah, yeah.
So, but no, they're not authentic.
Because they look so good.
I know, that's the thing.
Yeah, they look proper.
Yeah, they're just too big for him, unfortunately.
Nice one. Thanks, look.
That's okay, no problem.
How much are your clothes, please, guys?
So it's £5 for the coat and then everything on the floor's £1.
Okay. Oh. Everything on the floor is what, sorry?
£1.